Hello everybody, this is Steve with Federal Military Parts. Today we are going to talk about the military airlift bumper license plate mounting bracket designed specifically for the airlift bumper. Now this basically just wraps around your airlift bumper. It is a no drill application. So you don't need a drill, you don't need a saw, you don't need anything like that. This is the first piece that mounts up right here, and it just bolts on to the other piece that I'm going to lay in place. It doesn't bolt on to the bumper, it wraps around and impounds your bumper. Okay, so that's how that sets on there. Now this this part right here is where the pre-wired license plate light mounts up, and as you can see, all the holes line up just fine. Okay, got that set in place. This protrudes up and above your bumper, and then next goes in the pre-wired license plate light. This just snakes through the hole, goes through there, and then you've got your pre-wired license plate light in place. Nice and bright, 24 volt, complete. And of course, your license plate. And there you go. The pre-wired, no drill, military Humvee airlift bumper license plate bracket by Federal Military Parts. Thanks for watching.